शिक्षण संदर्भातल्या वेगवेगळ्या संधी बाबतीन विद्यार्थ्यांक माहिती जाय ह्या हेतून गोवा टायमलाइन ग्रुप मार्फत गोवा एज्युकेअर शो 2019चे आयोजन केल्ले. हांचे उक्तावण कॉर्पोरेशन बँकाच्या गोय विभागाचे उपसरव्यवस्थापक एस अन्नपूर्णा हांच्या हस्तुकी जाले. RDX गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान विलियम रॉड्रिगीस.
Goa Timeline Educare Show. This is the 6th edition in a row. From 2014 we are organizing. We are proud to organize this event because we think that it is very divine that all the aspirants for the higher education will find a solution under one roof. Those are the days parents and students used to go different places like Bangalore, Mangalore, like Belgaum, Dharwad, Kolhapur. These places in search of colleges. What my child should do, what my son has to do, going there, staying there, and spending a lot of money in search of colleges and not finding a proper solution, moving into many places. This is to happen. This is to happen with us also.
My college is situated near 6 km from Ladakh and 45 km from Hungary. First of all, I would thank the Goa Timeline for organizing this event and making a student to know about different opportunities. I thank Mr. Manjunath Puja for taking this difficulty of organization and the 6th edition of this. We have a good relation with the Goa people from past 30 years because 20 to 25% of admission of our college is from Goa state.
An immense pleasure to be part of this 6th edition of Goa Timeline Education Show. I have been talking to Manjunath sir for the last 2 to 3 years. This is the first time I got the opportunity to meet him and to be part of this show. Otherwise, I was on the other side of the table when managing the show. And before I say something, I would like to tell something about the college. Our college was started in the year 2003 under SKSP, that is Srimati Kamla and Sri Venkappa. They formed a trust. Under that trust, they started a college, and it is a non-profit organization which was purely meant to educate the rural students in that region as well as the other surrounding regions.
So many stalls from various education institutes from other parts of state as well, other than Goa, Karnataka and neighboring states, Karnataka and Maharashtra as well.
Government agency for higher education. What we do is we help Indian students study in France, and they can study any level, right from the bachelor's degree to a master's. They can do a PhD. There are internships in France as well. For all of these programs, the French government offers scholarships to Indian students, and we help them through the processes of their application to the university, to their scholarship application, and the visa, student visa as well.
Everyone, thank you Goa Timeline for having us today and tomorrow as well. My name is Joanna. I'm the director of Alliance Française Panaji. Alliance Française Panaji is dedicated to promoting the French language and culture across Goa.
Institute of Fashion Technology, Bangalore. GD is the legacy 30 years of college, which is we have centers, 37 centers across the globe, with the international collaborations, aggregations, and co-members for the world.
Mr. Manjunath, I have to tell you, this is our 5th year fascinated with you. With the way you have made arrangements, it was very easy for us to locate and come to this place right from the bus stand till here, or right from my place till here. Thank you for that. Thank you for the planning actually. I hail from Sanjay Goda University. Formerly it was called as Sanjay Goda Group of Institutions. It's only 9 years old. And I'm proud to say we are into 150 acres of land in Kolhapur.
Registration for students to go abroad. Then we found you. So we're happy that we are associated with you. So about Europe Study Center, the major benefits is that The students can go abroad and do their undergraduation and post-graduation. The best part is the fees is paid by the government. The student need not spend much money to go abroad and study. Many do not know this. That's the only problem. That 90% to 100% tuition fees is paid by the government. It's cheaper than studying in India. Plus 100% practical education. The kids, the students cannot memorize or write 30-40 pages of sheets and then clear the examinations.